The vlog is changing, at least for a bit. I didn't have any pink, so you have to have yellow.
That's so cool. Studio manager?
Yeah.
Wow. It's very big.
Yeah. I didn't have time to make a real name badge.
What's this made of?
Plastic.
From what?
I had some leftover plastic. How do you feel?
Thanks for hiring me.
That is the most ugly name badge I've ever seen.
I like it. It's just not sure about this excess space.
You know how the last few days have been really exciting? We've done hiking, canoeing, hiking again, and I've been to YouTube. Well, today is the most average, boring office day. It's back to normal. If you haven't seen the canoeing video or the YouTube video, you should go back and watch those. Don't watch this, go watch those. They're way better. I like your badge.
Thank you.
You excited for your first day at school?
Yeah.
You're my studio manager.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, that's alright. Show off your badge. You're the boss.
Wait, bring it down.
There you go. We just have a lot of admin to do today, like video editing, thumbnails,
Website.
Trello.
Trello.
She's my studio manager.
Best job ever.
Maya's quit her job. She works here now. It's nighttime, so she's not here right now. But that's where she works. That's Phil. He's going to be hanging out in the vlog for a while. See, normally this vlog is me in the studio on my own 95% of the time, but Maya's working here now, at least for a few months, and Phil and I have some projects to do together. I've had a roster of assistants over the years, but it's been many years since I had 3 people in the studio. It's going to be cool. This is our scarf factory. How many rows?
23. 7 to go.
What's Maya got?
Spin left. Jump. Woo!
What's your favourite ride? Dodgems.
What's the...
I like, yeah, that one. Whatever that one is, I like that one. Scream if you want to go faster. Alright, Maya's going away now. You're going to London for how many days?
Monday, Thursday...
4 days?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
So her first day was short-lived. She's already on holiday, so...
I'm already on annual leave, sorry. I will be working though.
So it's just me on my own for a week. But I'll see you in London, because I'm coming to London at the end of the week.
Yeah.
All right. I think your bride is here. See ya. We really had a full house today. Phil, Maya, Maya's sister, the dog. Anyway, the vlog is going to be a busier place for the next few weeks.